Who's a pretty bird?
Oh.
Who's a pretty bird? Good bird.
He's
Good
like a
birdie.
You know? No.
Who's a pretty
No.
bird? Hey, be
No.
a good birdie. Be a good birdie. Good birdie. Good birdie.
No.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you like. Look, he likes it. He likes to be petted.
Birdie.
Look at it. See how his
Yeah.
his feathers are like standing up because he likes it.
Yeah, it feels good, huh? That feels good, huh? Oh my
No.
gosh.
Yes, I want to pet you, but you don't let me.
That's a pretty bird. Oh. Oh.
Look, he wants to be petted.
Aww.
You know, he's scratching himself because I'm petting him. He probably likes his belly soon.
Yeah,
It's good.
probably.
You should get him.
I want him. It's like having a bird Wally. Oh. Oh, are you mad now? What's the matter? What's the matter?
Look, he likes his petted right there.
Oh, we got scared.
Oh, see?
Oh, oh. Oh.
Oh,
Ouch, it looked like he got you. This is the weirdest bird I've ever come across.
No.
Hi. Oh, hi. Oh, hi. Hi, pretty birdie. Hi, what's that? What is that pink thing? Hmm? Oh. Oh, we got scared. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Hi. Hi.
Oh, he wants me to pet him again. He's laying out. Look at him. Stop it. No.
Okay, I'm gonna turn this off.
Okay.
Bye, birdie. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.